with Concordia University of Edmonton, and I am the business strategist for the university. I'd like to introduce Concordia and some of the things we're doing. Our challenge track is around building an assistive chatbot for people with disabilities. And really, our team at Concordia has direct experience in this, having over 4,500 students enrolled in our programs, and just experience personally across a pretty wide range here. With our student body, we find about 7 to 10% of our students suffer with various challenges such as anxiety, depression, ADHD, or other learning disabilities that can make it really challenging to engage at school and kind of get to where they want to be. Mental health concerns have been a huge factor, and I think it's only increasing, certainly during the time of pandemic here. 60% of youth with disabilities in Canada are mental health related, and this creates all sorts of problems with time management, prioritization. We all tend to procrastinate, and we're all under a lot of stress, it seems, these days, most of the time, if not from our actual work, then from all the things going on around us on a day-to-day basis. So, past solutions out there for dealing with really involve things like meditation, trying to bring mental focus. And what we wanted to focus on was finding a way to tackle the problem more head-on. My own son definitely struggled with anxiety going through post-secondary situation, and a lot of coaching and a lot of late nights and a lot of sessions just kind of talking through, how things and how to get at new problems, really made me intimately aware with this whole solution or this whole problem, and gave me the desire to want to develop a solution for it. So what we're proposing to build is an assistive chatbot to kind of equalize the playing field a little bit here. So what it is different about our chatbot is that it's a conversational natural language processing bot. So what that means is that it maintains context as you're digging down deeper into your query. It's using a limited number of data sets that have been essentially pre-approved to source course material from. So you're not diving into the entire world of the Google sphere to try and find information to start your project. And it'll really kind of walk you through the steps. So if you have to write a paper about philosophy, that would be like, well, what kind of philosophy are you interested in writing about? And it'll give you some options, make some suggestions, and kind of dig down into an area where it'll then ultimately source material that can be used in, kind of building up your content, building up your argument, tackling that task. That could be across mathematics, English, sociology, psychology, any of the major post-secondary disciplines. And this really expands beyond post-secondary to include, the work situation. So we're going to start with students, but ultimately we want to expand this into a tool for work on a daily basis. And our objective is to, create this 40% reduction in the time it takes people to source material needed to get a project going so they feel comfortable getting started. We're looking for people with skills in building chatbots, natural language processing, machine learning, transfer learning, deep learning, and also psychology, sociology, linguistics. All of those people are needed to make this team a success. So we're really looking at building the state-of-the-art conversational AI. And this intelligent agent will be able to groom data and solve a growing societal problem while coming away with a tool that we can work on similar issues in commercial applications. So the benefits of this project, really we're going to be building out a rapid prototype using some really cool tools. We have potential claims to intellectual property, definitely around the natural language space. At Concordia, we have an NVIDIA GPU lab for doing experimentations and building out different models. And we have a great faculty and staff and students to participate with, as well as some great partners in Inclusion Alberta and PADRA that can help drive more insight into this problem and be advisors to the team. So really excited about it and looking forward to hearing anybody else's interest in joining up with us. Thanks.